Well, good news. My cash out balance on the top right has gone up overnight. And yes, indeed, I got my money back on my gas purchases, $4.25 cash back. And I'm going to show you the process that I went through, and then I'll show you what the next steps are that I can do to take this and get the money back. So I am now using the Get Upside app for the first time getting fuel. Normally, I go to Costco to pay for my fuel, but I went to look and BP was even a better deal. Plus, I'll be able to use my Costco card and save even more money. So what I did was I went to gas stations, I looked at the deals, and you could see $3.81. So I'm going to get back 48 cents per gallon cash back. Right now, it is $4.29, and that's what the price is showing here at the pump. And again, I will be getting 48 cents a gallon back. So I'm going to show you what it's like after I'm done. So let me take you through the process. I'm going to click on claim offer. And now I check in. So I have 3 hours and 59 minutes before it expires. And I can only use it here at this location. I'm going to check in. And now I need to enter my credit card information. Okay, so I finished pumping up my gas, and so they've got my receipt number with the last 4 digits. So now that I've showed you that I got my cash back and what I did at the gas station through the process to earn that cash back, I'm going to show you now how you could withdraw the money a couple of different ways. Do keep in mind every gas station is different, because I have another friend who used the app and she had to scan the receipt just like I had to do with the frozen yogurt, but that may vary gas station to gas station. So as you can see, the $9.73, I'm going to click on that. Now I can cash out. So I get to decide if I want to cash out to a bank account or to, let's say, for example, Amazon. So for the bank account, you click on that. What you're going to do is link your bank account, follow the steps, and cash out. Or if, let's say, you wanted to do Amazon, you click on Amazon, you'll follow the steps, and you would have to wait till you hit $10. But again, as you start using this more and more for buying your gas, plus referring other people, which I wanted just to share with you now, again, when you go to your referrals, you'll see your network will grow, and not only will you benefit by sharing this with other people, but they will share with other people, and you will get a small percentage as well. Again, for free gas, right now they have a one-time bonus. This will change, and that is when they use it for the first time with the app and buying gas, you'll get $5 plus 1 cent for every gallon your friends buy, and then they'll have the code. So click on the link in the description where, again, you could start benefiting from saving money on gas, restaurants, and groceries if they have that. And you could see the rewards will change, I noticed, after the first purchase, but nonetheless you'll still be able to benefit saving money on gas. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.